What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Deshaun. You already know that we out here, guys. You already know. I just got done taking a dub. I got 2 dubs though. To be honest, I'm gonna get more. When we come up, I'm gonna come up. I'm gonna come up. I got more than 40. I got more than 32 kills before. Alright, let's put some solos, guys. This is W. Go, coach. Yeah. I'm gonna get to W. Oh. I'm lagging though. I always lag on somewhat while I'm doing this, bro. I don't know why I always lag. Bro. Would have been dead if I wasn't recording. It always lags, bro. I dropped that gun like, what? Hey, brother. Hey, brother. Yo, if y'all hear it, I'm sorry, if my brother come in, start talking, I'm not telling him to get out. So if he come in, start talking to my mom. Just lag, bro. Just lag. Folks trying to take some shields. This lag is kicking in. So guys, sorry about that though. I'm just gonna take it away. Hold on, yeah, that's tough. We're gonna try to get this dub. But I usually be dropping more kills than this during this. I would have had like 5 kills right now. Ended up with 10. These people trying to hide. These people camp. Okay. I might die here. Off it. You can see that, bro. I'll wait till my shield come up. I'm trying to move down now. Okay. Here we go. This kid ran. Yeah, guys, this kid ran. This kid ran, guys. Sorry if it's too hard to hear me. That it was legendary. It was lighting up. Oh, that's tough. Oh, boys. That's a different dude, ain't it? I think it's a different dude. Right? That's a whole different dude. This dude kind of shoot at me and run. What? Come back here, kid. Joker says 5 people left already. This gotta be a different video. How? Bro, that lag! Everybody wants to shoot at me and then run. So what is going on? Freaking trash. Stuff. So GG. GG. Gosh, bro. I lied and said I'm live. I lied though. I lied and said I'm live. Oh, that's it right there. So. We killed each other. What? 8 health? Oh my gosh. This kid don't kill, he's trash. Hit him with your fist. Hit him with your fist. Bro, just hit his ass with your fist. It's a 1 hit. I don't got time. I don't got time, bro. Oh my gosh. He's literally, guys, he's literally was a 1. He literally was a 1. Yeah, that's up later. Yeah. But yeah. If you guys enjoyed the video right now, make sure you give it a thumbs up. How you trying now? I don't know why I landed here. I do not know why I landed here. I do not know why I landed there, bro. So dumb. Next I'm gonna do a solo duo. Next game I'm gonna do a solo duo for y'all. For y'all. Boys, just land. Blossom. This is gonna land so fast. I'm scared of me, bro. Alright, boys. I want y'all to come here. It's lag. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that lag? It's not lag. Oh my gosh. It's lag. It's somebody up in there. I knew it. I don't care. So laggy right now, bro. The boys, I'm gonna do a solo duo. Hold on. Hold up. Hey, come on, guys. Like this right in my last game, which I know. And I haven't been recording for that long. But I'm gonna do another video. Hold up. I forgot this was duo. What did you just go that fast? God dang. Yo, here, get the gun, bro. I'll let you. This solo duo. I don't know why ain't nobody getting knocked. It's a solo duo. Like, why ain't nobody getting knocked, brother? That's my kill, bro. That's my kill, bro. That's my kill. You ain't just want. Alright, I'm done. Ah! It's like nobody was getting knocked. And that was a solo duo. What is going on? What the heck is going on, bro? So, guys, I'll play one more game for you. Bro. I apologize for the ads. I'm gonna have that white crate right there. With the lag, bro. Bro, I'm so laggy. Hold on, kill me, bro. Guys, I'm gonna hurry up and die. Come on, bro, just kill me, bro. No, I'm playing. Yeah, alright. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that like button. And if you are new to the channel, subscribe. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. Turn on post notifications. And I'm out. I'm sorry I didn't do it for that long. But yeah, I'm making new videos soon. Stay tuned. I'm out. Peace.